Hi there. This is After 6 Cocktails, and I'm going to show you all how to make a martini. There are two different kinds of martini. There's the dry martini, which is made with dry vermouth, which is usually white colored, and you can have martini made with sweet vermouth, and then there's also a perfect martini, which is made with both kinds of vermouth. But today we're going to start with the classic dry martini. Other components of the martini also... In addition to the sweet or dry vermouth, the main spirit of the martini could be vodka, like this Hammer and Sickle, or a gin, like Beefeater. Beefeater is a London dry gin, which is very popular in a dry martini. So today, instead of going through the vodka tradition, we're going to use Beefeater dry gin and Martini and Rossi extra dry vermouth. Step one of making the dry martini is to put ice in the mixing glass. I use an ice tray that makes cubical ice shapes that are large enough for stirring. Once the ice is placed into the mixing glass, I pour 1 ounce of dry vermouth into the glass. Once the vermouth is poured in, I'll add the 2 ounces of the Beefeater dry gin. You don't have to use Beefeater. You can use any dry gin, or if you're feeling adventurous, you don't even have to use a London dry gin at all. You could use like a modern gin, such as Hendrick's. Although James Bond wants these martinis shaken, not stirred, however, stirring will cool down the drink and it won't dilute the flavor of the martini. So stir it about 20 times. For 20 seconds, depending on how you like it. When done stirring, you attach a strainer to the glass so the ice doesn't come out. Find your closest V-shaped martini glass. Strain it out. And voila! You got a dry martini.